Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a phone Samsung Galaxy A55. This phone is problem sometime giving the warning for charging. So now you can see it's charging the 4%. I have to clean first the charging socket, and after that you try to charge your phone. If it's still not working, you have to go to settings in the phone, okay, and type here apps, app, and go to the show system manager. Sorry, here is the, you have to find out the USB settings. If don't find here, short by. So guys, after you see like this option, click here and show the system apps, open this and then okay, and then here go down. Okay, here is USB. You have to find out USB. USB settings, okay, and then here go to the storage and go here clear cache and clear data, and then take the restart your phone, take restart, remove charger. Okay, after that you will see fix your phone. See guys, it's charging. Okay, 14% already done. It was 0%, so no warning for the charger. Is not warning for replace your charging socket or something. So this way you can fix your Samsung Galaxy if do not problem the charging socket. So you just go to setup, the clean the charging socket. After that you can see your phone is totally fixed and you can save your money. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for next video notification. Have a nice day.